Hello and welcome again. Today we will talk about LAZR and many stocks descending today, including this one, but this one is the most positive in today's, let's say, list of videos because although it's still going to decline few trading sessions, it's very near to bounce point and should be a very, very nice bounce. Let's understand why. First of all, what we can clearly see here that over time it was forming a descending channel. This channel has a clear boundaries and actually can form it, draw it immediately as a channel. So this is our channel. Clearly we see it, and now it actually goes such that moving average 20, the green line, works as a top of the channel, and it was quite flat, quite straight long time, so not curving out, but we have here a very interesting phenomenon. It's when before reaching, let's say, before reaching the top of the channel, we started descending. This usually means that we will go down, might even pierce lower than the channel to kill all the let's say stop losses, and then it should be very strong rebounds. So this kind of pattern, it will be skewed. It means that it might spike downwards, but then it will spike up, and the first price action will be entering, if we will be entering in this area, so anywhere below the current channel would be nice to buy. The very first exiting opportunity will be the top of the channel. Wouldn't be too risky here, just exit. Still, what might happen, it might still volatile and only then go for final bounce back, or it might even pierce higher. A very clear example of this phenomenon is also seen here. You see we had this small knee-like formation spiking down, and we go up, exactly indicated by flattening of the moving average 20. So once we see this spike and the flattening of moving average 20, this would mean that we are about to bounce up. Still, the question would be, it will be the big bounce or the small bounce only to the level of moving average 20. Well, that's up to, let's say, observation, but looks like a box is forming with stochastic RSI. So what's the box formation stochastic RSI? On this example, you see after some time of false volatilities, we see the very big up spike and then box formation. So this is our box, meaning the very long run up. Looks like here also we had these false bounces, and it's a big spike up. Usually it goes above 80, and that's exactly the case. So might be indeed with some reconfirmation, which would be coinciding with this point. Actually, it should be here. We should see the box formation, and everything indicates like this. So anywhere the price goes lower than the channel, you can start slowly buying out with some averaging down, of course, but this is very nice. By the way, another example of what I was saying here is this level. It's a touch decline, not that skewed as we would expect here, flattening of moving average 20 and then going up. Indeed, exactly the same. You can see the false rebounces. Again, here false, kind of box, false rebounces. And then you see like box with a very long and couple of lines of reconfirmation. Again, immediate false rebounds. And then we have volatility mountain. So that's the pattern we can see on stochastic RSI. I really like stochastic RSI, not used by many, usually, unfortunately, by many traders, but it has some significant power and significant patterns. If you see those formation, it could be actually very indicative for upsides. And it seems like this formation is here about to form. So with this being said, that's it for LAZR. Looking forward to it. If you like this way of technical analysis, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.